Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Sai Gaming Club, where indie games are made. My name is Sai, and this is my introductory video for my new series, Let's Indie. So let's discuss what we'll be doing in this series. We will be creating our own video game as indies, which means we'll be doing all the modeling, all the animation, we'll be level designing our own levels, we'll be composing our own music and recording our own game audios. We'll also be scripting, and the scripting will be done in Unity, and we'll be shader writing. Alright, let me give you a brief about the game. It's gonna be a side-scroller 2.5D game. For those of you who are not familiar with that concept, it's a platformer but it's 3D. It's gonna be an adventure game where you meet up with enemies, you have to kill them, you have to solve some mystery to advance throughout the levels. It's gonna contain multiple combo for the movements and for the attack, where you have to perform or hit multiple keys in order to perform a specific movement or a specific attack. The game will be involving a lot of AI system and boss finder as well for the enemies. For the prerequisites, you will be needing nothing but linear algebra, just the basic stuff and some basic physics. No scripting is needed, no knowledge of any language is needed, or even the program itself, Unity. But if you have any of that, that would be helpful, but you don't need any of that, and I will tell you why in a few minutes. Now, why did I pick Unity? Unity is one of the best engines out there. It has a great community. Wherever you hit a problem, even uh, during the series or even after the series, you can always hit this a community, ask the question, and they will always be there to help you. Unity is very customizable when it comes to customizing your own engine, like building your own engine. Unity is pretty much like your engine. You can customize anything in it. You can customize the window, the inspector. It also handles multiplier, networking, and shader writing in a very efficient way. And the main reason, of course, is that I can't use any other engine. So yeah, that is why we picked Unity. So, what we'll be learning? We'll be learning 3D graphics, modeling, animations, skinning, rigging, bones extraction, and all of that. We'll also be studying GUI, how to create them within Unity, and how to draw them within Flash. We'll be composing our own music, which is nice, and how to do that in. If you are familiar with any program and you feel comfortable with it, you can use it. But I personally use FL Studio, so yeah. I'll be recording our audio for the game as well. We'll be writing our own shaders when needed, and we will be studying lighting and render settings for the Unity. We'll be scripting our own custom inspector and custom windows and probably database. We will be learning 3D animation in Unity, not just in the 3D Max or Blender or whatever. No, we'll be also dealing with the 3D animation within Unity. Now, for the programming language, we need any object-oriented language. Now, Unity only deals with two languages, C Sharp and JavaScript. I personally prefer C Sharp, so I'll be using C Sharp. If you would like to use JavaScript, the converting between the C Sharp to the JavaScript shouldn't be hard. For the programs you need, I personally use Autodesk 3D Studio Max, but you can always use Blender if you're familiar with it. It's a much simpler, much easier program. We'll be using Flash Professional 2015 CC. That's my version I use, but you can use any other version as long as it has the features, and I think they all do. So this is gonna be for designing the GUI system and also for some texturing when needed in the game. We'll be using FL Studio for creating the music of the game, background music, intro music, the end game music, the credit music, all that. We'll be using Visual Studio to write our own scripts, but you can always use MonoDevelop if you would like to. It's MonoDevelop, for those of you who don't know, MonoDevelop is the compiler that comes with Unity. There'll also be a bunch of helping series about modeling and animation, about Unity itself, and about scripting within Unity. So for the syllabus, we will be starting by designing the levels. For example, we will start with level 101, and then we will start modeling the elements on this level, and then we'll do the animation for the enemies of these levels, and of course for the main character. Then we'll be heading to Unity to script all of that, and we'll do our own custom inspector also and custom windows, and we will be designing our own algorithm for the pathfinder for the AI, and we will also be designing our own AI algorithm. Now, for later videos, we'll be doing the animation within Unity. That's why we will also be studying the animation in Unity. We will also be composing our own music at the end, and we will designing our own sounds. Now, when this is all complete, when level 1 is completed, level designs, modeling, animation, scripting, and music and sounds, we will repeat this whole process again till we finish the first environment. Now, the game contains of 10 environments. Each environment contains 5 levels, 3 normal levels, 1 for the mini boss with a bunch of enemies, and 1 for the big boss, which means we will have 50 levels to deal with. Now, all you need to do is just 1 level, and the rest is just repeat and do. But I will also be streaming all the rest of the levels. I hope you guys enjoy this series. I'm so excited for it, and welcome again to Psy Gaming Club.